Good afternoon, everyone. Dustin here, and I'm coming at you with another video in our Healthy Helping series. So today I have one of my favorite things to make, and it's zucchini pizza bites. A really simple but really tasty recipe. But before I get started, I'm gonna go wash my produce and then wash my hands for 20 seconds. So let's go do that. Okay, so now that my hands are washed and my zucchini is ready to go for me to slice it, let's get started. So for this, like I said, it's super simple. You're just gonna have one zucchini, a little bit of low-fat mozzarella, or you can do Parmesan cheese as well. It's really your choice. I have some tomato sauce. You can also do like pizza sauce if you would like as well, like marinara. It's really up to you as well. I chose pizza sauce for this one. Preferably like low sodium if you could find it. If not, that's up to you as well. And then I also have some Italian seasoning as well. You can also do oregano if you would like. So just keep in mind that this is like a pizza, so whatever you would like to put on it, you can. Pepperonis are optional, or you could, if you wanted to add like an onion or a bell pepper to this as well, that's completely up to you. The sky is the limit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just cut the end of my zucchini off, just like that. Keep in mind I have my knuckles like this, so the knife can go in here like we were taught earlier. And I also have a plate over here as well. I'm just gonna put the pizza bites on the plate and then transfer them to the oven as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slice it like this. You can make these as thick or as thin as you want. I prefer them to be just a little bit thicker, just because you're gonna add some weight to them with the pizza sauce and the cheese and the oregano. So I really like zucchinis. Sometimes I'll make it for breakfast. I'll just dice up some potatoes and then some zucchini and throw it in there, and like make like a breakfast hash. It's really good. But zucchinis is like really high in vitamin A, which can help you with your immune system, and also can be really good for your eyesight as well. So they have plenty of benefits to them as well. So now that I have them diced, I'm gonna start dressing my pizza now. So I'm just gonna take the tomato sauce with a spoon, and I like to use like this and just dab them on each of them like that, like so. And then you can actually take the back of your spoon and then use that to like rub it in. So like so. You wanna, that's just like a regular pizza, you wanna just cover the whole surface there. This one looks like it can use just a tad more pizza sauce. And then I'm gonna take my low-fat mozzarella cheese and put it on top as well. So you kind of have the best of both worlds. You have the healthiness of the zucchini, and then you also have some cheese on there as well. And I got low-fat because I personally like to cut down on the amount of fat that I'm using, but we don't want to eliminate all the fat because, fat has some good components to it for our body, like it cushions our organs and it helps with temperature regulation in our body. So like so, I'm gonna do the rest of these. Lastly, I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning to them. All right, I'm gonna finish these up and then I'm gonna throw them in the oven at about 375 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's do that now. All right, guys, so I have the zucchini pizza bites out of the oven. If you want them to be a little bit crispier, then I'll suggest turning your oven down to a lower setting and letting them cook a little bit longer. But my house smelled amazing and these smell incredible. Like I said earlier, you can add pepperonis to these if you wish. You can also do some turkey bacon, add a green bell pepper, add a mushroom, literally anything that you would put on a pizza, you can add to these as well. So I'm very excited to give them a try. But that's all I have for you guys this week. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned.